This is day 3 of me helping my uncle pay off his 500,000 rand debt with only 25,000 rand.
Hey, what's good and bad? Big fish with a hyena attitude. You already know what it is. If you didn't know it, then you're about to find out. Let's get it.
Hi guys, just an update. This is day 3 of me helping my uncle pay off his 500,000 rand debt with only 25,000 rand. So yeah, you might be wondering how and how is that even possible? So make sure to check day 1, which is part 1 maybe, and day 2, which is part 2, because this is day 3, more like part 3. So yeah, make sure to stay with me. I'll try to keep this video as short as possible. Let's see what happened today, what went on and all of that. I'm just gonna try and yeah, let's get it. Yeah guys, I'm walking to the gym right now. This is just a quick update. I opened the first weight in the early AM, and then it went the opposite way, so you know what that means. I'm running losses. Then in the morning I opened another one. Yeah, still went the opposite way, and then during the day I opened a couple of them. They were in profits, but not a big profits, so I closed them down, and then we still running losses right now. I'll attach the screenshot right there. We're still running losses, but you know what, we've come a long way, man. You know, from 25,000 to 260,000. That's half of our target, you know what I mean?
Yeah, guys, as you can see, we're currently running some losses. However, we managed to close down 46,000, even though the target was like 100,000, meaning we didn't even like close down half of our target. But then it is what it is. I always tell people, do not trade with your heart, do not trade with emotion, do not trade with emotions, trade with your mind, you know. Yeah, understand what you're doing, even though on some particular days things can't go exactly as you expect them to go. It's part of life, like, you know, it's part of life. So but then it is what it is. Yeah, that's it for me today, guys. This is day 3 of me helping my uncle to pay off his 500,000 debts with only 25,000. We managed to close 46,000 today. However, we're running some losses. We'll see on Monday what's happening. As soon as the market opens up, we'll see what's happening and how much we're gonna be able to close down on that particular day. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, you made it. God bless you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. This is from me, Big Fish with a Hyena attitude. You already know what it is. If you didn't know, then you just found out. Let's get it, guys.